So Carl, can you tell us how long biological controls have been used for here, and would you say their use is increasing or decreasing year on year?
In earnest, I would say for the last 10 years, but going back 15, I would say 15, 20 years, we started to introduce them, trying to get ahead of the curve really, and seeing where we think we needed to go with them. And at that time, there were a lot more, I would say, alternatives chemically to use, but we thought it was a sustainable future and give better control. So we've been going, yes, last 15 years, but most definitely we're increasing. Our spend here is on biological controls, that's biologicals and biopesticides, is now maybe 5-6 times more than we spend on chemicals combined. It is increasing all the time as the number of active ingredients from the chemical world decreases, and the more knowledge we have about the use of biological controls and their effective use, the more we get to learn them and more we get to use them, the better the results we achieve, and it snowballs. It's going more and more like that. The Western Phalaenopsis larvae are so small, they will hide in every nook and cranny and crevice, and it's getting the chemical to the pest to touch them. And chemicals don't tend to be able to do that unless you get very good systemic chemicals that will go through the plants. Whereas the pests will happily, the predators will happily find them out, hunt them down to where they live, and have a good feed there, it does a lot of work for us when we're not actually doing anything. So I often find with biologicals as well, you're getting a 24/7 control. They're always working for you. They're always batting your side. Do you know what I mean? Whereas a chemical, you do it, if you get your application wrong or you don't get quite good enough coverage, you've hit your window and you've got to go again another day.
And that's a good point, because achieving good spray coverage on leaf undersides we know is inherently difficult. So the predators naturally will get to the undersides of leaves where the pests are without a problem. So that's another thing in their favour.